back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for the final start of the night, the final class, the final feature race. About to get the green flag as they go down into turn number 3, working off turn 4. They're going to give them the green. And the hammer is down as they get the green flag and go down in turn number 1. Lee Merritt leads them down. Look at there. Many turns are plumb sideways going down in turn 1, but gathers it up. Pretty good restart there as they work around off of turn number 4. Man, I tell you, that car is just, you know what they say, loose is fast. And I mean, he's a little bit loose going down there, but he's got a good run. Lee Merritt is under attack there by Sean Sice as they work down that back straightaway. And look at them all piling up back there behind them, man. It's a 3 wide as they come off of turn number 4 in this classic race. And now we got old Sean Sice out front leading the way. And Lee Merritt's had to fall back in second. Oh, got one spun down in turn 2. He got the old bumper. Yep, I don't know what happened, but he got the bumper. He got turned around. Sean Sice right now is our race leader in that J16. Starting him in that Dixie double file. Here we go. They're in turn 3, working off of turn 4. Sean Sice in that J16. Can he hold them off? And we got some hard charging classic cars behind him as they go and get the hammer down sign. And he goes down in turn 1. He's all the way up on the high side of the racetrack. Gets a good run off of turn number 2. Goes down that back straightaway. Oh, he's way up there now. I'm telling you, classic cars, you don't really see them all the way up that high, but now we are tonight. Sean Sice and Lee Merritt, 1 and 2 as they work off of turn number 2. And that third place right now, we got Jeff Mays. He's made his way up into the 3rd position. Oh, got one around, another one around. Oh, good save right there. Man, what a good eye that they had there in the 88 machine. That 88 machine seen it happening in front of them, and they saved the day. He didn't get took out. That 88 machine of Chris Kick. Check your pockets right now and see if they're yours. If you're not, you'll find out when you get to your car and you're going to be sitting there ready to walk home. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to be able to get the green this time, and it is in the air. The green flag flies as we go back green with working lap number 3. Look how high. Man, I'm telling you what, Sean Sice, this has been a night for keeping the walls clean. All these cars have been all the way up high. Look how high he gets going down in turn number 3 and 4. As he works off 4 down into turn number 1, we still got Sean Sice leading the way. Lee Merritt holding that 2nd spot. And in 3rd, old Jeff Mays, he ain't letting them get out of striking distance. And they're finally, they lined it out here. 1, 2, 3 as they cross line. And look how Lee Merritt, he tries to dive down underneath going into 1. Lost a lot of ground, and he's maybe giving up that 2nd spot right there now to Jeff Mays. Jeff Mays goes to the inside. He works off of turn number 4. He ain't going to be able to make the pass right here, but now they're going in 1. He'll try again. Lee Merritt thought better of going low that time, slaying it, and he stayed up high where the speed's at. Finally, 6 laps in the books, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming to 7 this time. We got 13 laps to go, and we'll have this one put to bed right now as they're going down in turn number 1. We got him out front, Sean Sice. Got a caution. Yellow one around down here in turn 4. Don't know what happened, but I seen him turned. Working lap number 7. 13 more laps to go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Sean Sice is going to lead us to the green this time. Lee Merritt is second, and we got third place right now, still Jeff Mays. Nothing's changed there because we've been under caution. So here we go. As we're getting ready, can we get the next 13 laps in the books? We're going to find out because they're back under green flag as they bring them down. Sean Sice leads them in to the turn. Oh, and Sean takes it, goes way high. He almost went plumb up on his side and got one around. And he stays green. He gets it cleared up and going. We're still under green. And how did that happen right there, ladies and gentlemen? Lee Merritt. And here we are, 3 wide as he tries to thread the needles. They're going 4 people right now going for the race lead as they work off a turn number 4. Here they come down to the start-finish line. Who's going to lead this lap? It is going to be Lee Merritt's our race leader. And look here coming on strong as they come off 2. We've got Eli Keck in that 88 machine. He's found himself right in the mix, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like 6 cars right now have a chance of getting this race under. We got one slowed down. He slowed down hard off of turn 2. They're going down the back straightaway right now. Lee Merritt is the race leader as they come down to the start-finish line, working now lap number 11. We got the slow car. He's on the inside of the track now. We'll be able to get to make it off without having the caution. He's slowing down in turn 3, 4. He's crawling. He's trying to get there. Can he do it? He's almost there, and he's cleared the track. And we're still under green flag, and as we go around here, Lee Merritt leading the way right here is Sean Sice is in second place, but Eli Keck, he's bound his way up into that 3rd spot, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 13 laps in now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars as they cross the start-finish line. And Lee Merritt is trying to stretch it out a little bit. But, man, the second group, you can lay a blanket over 2nd through 5th place as they work around here now to lap number 14. And they're all, it looks like you got a rope tied to them 3. Man, they're just like they're pulling each other around as they're making circles around this racetrack. Coming upon 5 to go this time. 5 laps to go. We will get this one put to bed, ladies and gentlemen. Lee Merritt still your race leader. Already to the back trying to get to the lap cars. It may be a factor. Don't know. But in second place, Sean Sice is under attack. As the number 44, he comes up and taps him and lets him know he's there. Says, hey, I'm here, guys. Get out of the way. I'm coming through. Got to go. Man, I'm telling you, they are plumb against that wall in turns 1 and 2. Watch them as they come around this next time by with 3 laps to go. Your top runners, watch them. They'll be right up against the top. And they go down to turn number 1. There they are. Well, they didn't run hardly as high that time, but now they are locked in and zoned in on each other. Sean Sice, Eli Keck, and Mac Lockhart, they are running nose to tail, ladies and gentlemen. Lee Merritt is happy to see what's going on back there in that racing. Lee has got 2 more times to get around this track to cash in on the win here at Volunteer Speedway. Here he comes. He's got the white flag in hand. He's going to get it waved at him. Here we go. Here's Lee Merritt right now got 1 more round if he can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, they're piling. Oh, got one up on the wall. Caution is out. Goodness gracious. I didn't know. I thought he might be going over the wall down there. Didn't know.
Guys, that is going to end the race. You all were single file. It was not going to affect the finish. There is fluid everywhere.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is my understanding. That is going to end the race. The white flag was out. So your winner tonight in the classic feature, the number 14 of Lee Merritt. Lee Merritt from Knoxville, Tennessee, who takes home the win, followed by Sean Sice, Eli Keck, Mac Lockhart, and Jeff Mays. Man, what a race it's been here at Volunteer Speedway. I hope you guys have a good evening, and y'all take care. Come back in 2 weeks and see us. We'll be back here racing again with our regular weekly racing program. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you all. And again, on behalf of the staff here at Volunteer Speedway, we want to thank you for being a part of us, Vic and Krista Hill, and everything they do at Volunteer Speedway. To put these events on, it is not gone unnoticed. We appreciate you fans for showing up and showing out tonight at Volunteer Speedway. Y'all have a good evening, and thank you, racers, for being a part of us and being with us tonight for the Stars and Sprints 40 at Volunteer Speedway. Everybody have a good rest of your night, and we'll see you in 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. Put it on the calendars in 2 weeks. Thanks again for being with us tonight. God bless you all, and take care till we see you at the track at Volunteer Speedway.